Hi, my name is Blanca, and this is the market research I did on my in-home daycare. Based on census.gov, I saw that the population in Alameda County was 1,682,353 people as of April 2020. I live in Hayward, so the population is 162,954 people, where 6% are children under 5, which is my target market. My surrounding cities like San Lorenzo, San Leandro, Castro Valley, Oakland, all of them have between 5 and 6% that are children under 5. The Chamber of Commerce of Hayward, I gathered that there's 108,017 people employed, and the median income here is $74,927. I conducted a survey where I asked people whether they would like the idea of having a daycare being open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And 60% of those said that they did like the idea. The other 40% said they weren't okay with that. And then I also asked if they would want the daycare to provide meals and snacks for the children, and 100% of them said yes. So in conclusion, I I'm gonna offer meals and snacks for sure. And an advantage that I would be have to consider would be maybe having a daycare being open 24 hours a day and maybe at least 6 days a week, because I do know that a lot of people work weekends and they do work night shifts too. So and also childcare is a demanding market that's always going to be in business and with a lot of competition. Thank you.